Hey, I'm the Wolfman, and I'm here today in Pelham, Ontario at Staff Avenue. This particular area holds a nice little waterfall that's right along the Bruce Trail. We're going to go out and have a look. Forests are living, breathing organisms. Every year the forests go through the circle of life. In the beginning, once the snows recede and the ground is soft and cold, you'll get different types of plants that will only grow under those growing conditions, like Ontario's trillium, a small white flower normally with 3 petals on it, will grow on the forest floor before the leaves arrive on the trees and the canopy cuts off the light from the forest floor. After that, once the trilliums have subsided, all sorts of other different kinds of plants and ferns will start to grow on the forest floor, things that need particular amounts of shade and things like that. And then the cycle repeats itself as the trees of autumn lose their leaves and go dormant. The cycle begins again. So this is the Staff Avenue Waterfall. It's named that because the closest roadway that goes near this waterfall is Staff Avenue. So we're going to hike down to the bottom of the gorge and have a look at the base. Just across from the waterfall is a little plaque dedicated to J. Lloyd Oliver. This plaque honors Lloyd's countless hours supporting the Bruce Trail. This location near the falls was one of Lloyd's favorites, placed here by his family to celebrate his 80th birthday on November 15th of 2002. Descending to the base of these waterfalls is always a challenge, so please, if you're going to go visit them, be extra careful on the steep cliffs which lie between you and the waterfall that you're heading to. I made the steep hike down into the gorge to the base of this waterfall, which you can see behind me. All around me, the waterfall brings life to this area. It enriches the soil and brings all sorts of beautiful trees and plants and shrubs, and sometimes even ferns that you'll see nowhere else in Canada. It's always a pleasure to meet the base of any waterfall. I love being close to the mystery and magic of nature. It connects me to something more primal inside. I love looking at the way that nature has carved this rock. The water has pulled it and eaten it away and made it where it is today. Thank you for watching this video. I'm the Wolfman. Please consider subscribing.